Next, we're going to create a table more like the ones you'd actually use in a PHP web application. The first table will keep track of all registered users. We'll give each user a unique identifier, track their email address, and save a hash of their password. A hash is simply a way to verify that a user enters a particular password without actually having to store the password itself. This improves application security and your user's privacy. Even if someone were to steal your database, they still wouldn't have your user's passwords. For more information, Google password hash and read away. Let's go back into phpMyAdmin and create another database. Under Create New Database, type Newsboard and press the Create button. You now have a brand new blank database. Let's add a table with some columns. Under Create a New Table, name the table Users, and we'll have 3 fields. Now name the first field ID, set it to an int or integer, set extra to auto increment, and we'll also make this a primary key. Call the second field email with length 100, and the third pwd hash also with length 100. We'll leave these two as varchar, which means variable character string data with a variable but maximum length. Now press the Save button. You'll see the SQL code that phpMyAdmin created for you to generate the table. Now that we have a very basic schema, we can add a record. Click the Insert tab to start the process. We can skip ID because it's generated automatically. Enter an email address in the second field. Then enter anything you like in the third. I've entered what's called an SHA1 hash of the word test. Don't worry about what that means if you're not sure. We'll explain it in depth later on. While we're at it, let's add a second email address and hash, and then press go. On the next page, you'll see the SQL query that was used to insert these records. Click the Browse tab, and phpMyAdmin will perform a select query to list all the records currently in your database. From here, you can edit or delete records using the pencil and X icons. You can even select multiple records to edit, delete, or export. The Structure tab shows all of your fields or columns, along with their corresponding attributes. Search allows you to dig through large databases to find specific information. We've already used the Insert feature to add records. You can try adding a few more yourself. Finally, have a look at the second table in our database schema. It will have 4 columns. Give phpMyAdmin a try and create this table on your own. Don't worry if you don't get it exactly right. We'll be reviewing this again later.